take us to court?
I'm with all that, my nigga.
Did you take us to court?
How many times you blew up? You came to court, nigga.
Of course I did, nigga. We gotta go to court. The fuck you mean?
Nigga, you yelled down the hall saying the dead man walking. Nigga, I told you, nigga, come outside.
Did you take us to court?
Come outside, nigga.
Yes or no? Did you file on us, bro?
Nigga, did I come in court and you niggas ran out of there and came back with about 20 Avalons?
Why would we run out of court, my nigga? We in CCB. Who gonna do something in CCB?
Did I pull up on you at your show, nigga, and beat the shit out of Tato, nigga, and you called me and said, nobody won't know?
You ain't never pulled up on me, nigga. You pulled up on me? Wait, Glock, you pulled up on me? You jumped out on me?
Nigga, on God, I pulled up on you with
on me.
Nigga, me and the homies walked
I seen you. You pulled up on me. Oh, wait. Wait. You pulled up on me or a D, whatever that nigga is.
Oh God, nigga,
you saw Wack. Wack saw you. We had words.
Peace, you lying, nigga.
Yes or no? Did you get hit 5 times at your own homie funeral?
No.
What?
On Colton City Quick, no.
Nigga, you don't even be.
I'm gonna bring your big homie in here.
Nigga, on my mama, nigga, my shit documented, nigga. I got hit 2 times at my little homie funeral, nigga.
There you go. There you go.
Shit, though. Did that nigga get sprayed with an ooh-wah?
Did you get? No, he didn't. No, he didn't. He's still on Instagram.
Nigga, on Colton City Quick, he got sprayed down with an ooh-wah. That's what saved my life, nigga. She saved my life, nigga.
You're not trying to do that, bro. We're not trying to.
That nigga the police. The nigga,
you the police.
No, you had us in court.
Nigga, on Cold City Crip, you the police, nigga.
You didn't have us in court?
You niggas did, nigga. I got paperwork on my
Keep
mama.
Crip out your mouth. Crip don't go to court, my nigga.
With a weak tip, nigga. You niggas sent that shit in. I told you niggas in 2014.
We tip. What you talking about? We tip what?
And did it. And then on my mama, nigga,
I
got arrested and I got the shit redacted, nigga. They redacted it.
Wait, a we tip what?
The same we tip I kept saying that y'all sent in,
nigga. A we tip on what?
Come on, cuz.
You wasn't even living in California. You was living in Vegas somewhere, nigga.
Nigga, I live in Cali, Vegas, and New York, nigga.
Well, there it goes. So how we tip? We don't know what you do.
Nigga, on my mama, nigga. You taking all these niggas like you didn't used to call me. I met you. You was a security guard, nigga. You begged for my number, nigga. You was our motherfucking security guard at our door, nigga.
You already let us know what you do when you talk tough and get caught. You go foul, my nigga.
Come on, cuz. Why? Okay.
And keep Crip out your mouth. Crips don't go file court cases.
Did I pull up on you and knock your nigga out? Did I pull up on you, slide up on Tato, beat the dog?
You jumped out on me?
Nigga, I jumppt out on game and sat on his belly.
You jumped out on me?
And begged me for the nigga pass.
Yes or no? Did you jump out on Wack?
Mike Will.
Come on, my nigga. Oh, Coach City.
Yes or no?
Fraud, my nigga.
Did you jump out on Wack?
Take him off the stage, man.
Fuck, you damn sure didn't jump out on game, nigga.
On Coach City Crip jumped out on game, nigga.
Last time you jumped out on him, you saw what happened.
Game ran out the courtroom, nigga, came back with a 20 Avalons, nigga.
Why would we run out of a courtroom? That don't even make sense. We in court. What the fuck is the nigga gonna do in court?
Nigga, I was right there, nigga. The Avalons was there. J-Rock was there.
Hey, bro, all game security is from Avalon. What are you talking about?
Come on, my nigga. Listen, one thing y'all know about folks, I don't lie, my nigga.
Let me ask you this question.
Weird as a motherfucker. Why was we in court?
Bro, why you ain't do nothing when the game socked your ass in the bushes?
Well, is that an anonymous nigga? Or are we talking to? I'm
why
talking to a moderator. I talk to a moderator.
To the bushes?
I ain't finna talk to no anonymous nigga.
Lame ass nigga. You don't even be in coke, nigga. We was running all through the Zoom, nigga. 2013, 14.
How you fight 30 niggas?
In your own hood, nigga.
Come on, cuz. Come on.
Did anybody see this nigga fighting 30 niggas?
You was never in the Vista Point, nigga. You were never
on my mind. It's all over YouTube. It was all over everything, nigga. The LA Coliseum, nigga. I fought 30 motherfuckers.
You fought 30 niggas when you was running through the bushes?
Why your name? What you got the 100 on there if you ain't gonna keep it that, bro?
Everybody seen the footage. Ain't no 30 niggas was hitting you.
I don't gotta talk over you. I let you talk.
Bro, it's not.
Bro,
it's
nigga
one
nigga
you
with a phone.
When you come in the code, nigga, I've been shot by them, nigga. I've had shootouts with the police, nigga. Documented. I got a bullet.
I know. I sent you them flowers at your own homie funeral.
Nah, nigga, I got a bullet from the police.
Here come the boogie, man.
Is your girl an ex-probation officer? Do she got a badge? Do you sleep with the police?
How my girl gonna be a probation officer, bro?
You call me and say, nigga,
There's no way my girl could be a probation officer, bro.
What?
It's no way possible, bro. Do you understand a criminal background?
Nigga, she's an ex-probation officer, my nigga.
This nigga is crazy. It's no way. You know we've been married since 2000, right?
He's a convicted felon, nigga. It ain't
a convicted felon. It's not possible, nigga.
Come, my nigga. We dealing, nigga. This nigga went to YA.
Shut up! You got socked in the bushes,
nigga. He talking to y'all like he did.
I did 2 years in the pen. It's niggas, hey, it's niggas on here that walk.
He got beat up by a girl too, so.
Hey, listen, it's niggas in here that walk yards with me longer than that. Watch me transfer to other pens.
Okay.
I got a J number, my nigga.
You can feed everybody a fantasy.
I have a J number, J49170. Well, here go the thing, 40. You never been to the pen. You never been to California State Penitentiary.
Nigga, you said Snick.
Have you ever been to California State Penitentiary?
Is a civilian. Nigga, you a buster. Nigga, you weird.
Have you ever? Hey, bro, you can't speak on 6'9", bro, because y'all both foul shit, bro.
Why you told everybody you was a death row goon? Should just
listen. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever been to California State Penitentiary? Yes or no?
What?
Have you ever been to the pen in California?
No, I ain't never been to no pen in Cali.
Okay, so listen. If I got a J number, you know what year that J number was revamped? 1994. And I didn't parole until 99. How I do 2 years in the pen?
Was pounds in the pen with you?
Exactly.
Exactly, nigga on code. Nigga, you in the factory.
J49170.
Come on, cuz. Nigga, knock this shit off.
J4, bro, see, you sound stupid because you don't understand the system.
Nigga, you was dumb. You got caught. I just got out of jail for a year, nigga. I was dumb. I got caught.
Where at?
Now what?
Bro,
what that mean, nigga?
But you said I did 2 years.
You searched in the pen, nigga.
You said I did 2 years.
Nigga, get in the streets, nigga.
Hold on.
Did you jump out on me and Tato? Which one?
One mic. Hey, 40 Glock. I want to ask you a question. Do you still got a relationship with Spider Loc and 50 Cent?
Fuck no, 50 don't fuck with that nigga at all.
I just left 50 about a few weeks ago.
This nigga crazy.
Yeah, I still fuck with Fifth. For Spider, me and him have a dispute that I don't fuck with Cuz no more like that. Like, you know.
I thought y'all was just rubbing on each other's butt cheeks a couple years ago.
Nah, that was you used to rub on his cheeks.
No, y'all did an album together, remember?
What that mean?
Hold on,
one mic. I do business, nigga.
I just want to know, 40 Glock, I want to know, how did it really feel to get beat up with one hand and a phone in the other hand? Like that.
I want to nothing. It felt like I want to know,
like, what type
it felt like $200,000 and better.
And then you ran, nigga. You ran down the street.
Don't you run when niggas got guns on you? Or you
hell no.
You take the bullet. You take the bullet.
You sat on the stand and said, 40 Glock. Did you not say on the stand? Hold on.
Why the fuck I had to knock a nigga out for Ray J?
Did you not say on the stand that Gang beat me so bad that I can no longer get an erection to have kids? Did you not say that on the stand?
Yeah, nigga.
I know you did. There you go. There you go.
Wait. You said wait. You said One mic.
I can no longer get an erection to have kids.
Hey, wait.
Why y'all niggas talk? Hey, yo, Chuck, I'm gonna be real. I never said this, bro. Chuck, why you let a nigga like this on your
You said he took the stand. Hold on. Whack.
Hey, y'all win, my nigga. I can't do it with a nigga like this, bro.
Hey, y'all, the video up there.
Hey, Wack, you said he took the stand?
Yeah, nigga, bro, that nigga got on that stand and said, Gang beat me so bad, I can no longer get an erection to have children.
In the court.
So, bro, my nigga this nigga's super crip. Nigga, you ain't no crip.
Yo, Wack.
Bro, bring that nigga back up.
So he did that in the courtroom, huh?
Yeah, hey, wait, hold on, wait. How many times have I told y'all that nigga did us like that in the courtroom? I done told y'all a gang of times, right? I'm not gonna tell no lies, bro. This nigga talking about, now we ran out of the court when we see you're the one taking the stand. You and this motherfucker playing victim. What the fuck you mean we ran out of the courtroom? We saw
he pointed the finger.
We in court because you got us in court.
That nigga just
y'all ran out when y'all saw me. This nigga is playing a weird ass, y'all. I grabbed Lil Wayne and threw him in the bro, Lil Wayne got a security detail. We talking about, man, this nigga worth so much fucking money. Bro, you're not getting up on weed. It's not happening. So what happened? What all the rest of these crazy little grimy niggas B with Wayne was doing when you was throwing him up in the elevator? Oh, you just that bad, right? Come on, bro. You win. You had us in court. You know you took us to court.
A lawsuit is a lawsuit. Nigga, if I get in a car crash, it's my neck.
That's
my
not
back,
a car
my
crash. You
everything.
sued us for a fight.
I sued you
Chuck,
like a
y'all
bad
really going for this shit?
You bitch ass nigga, get down. And it wasn't you. Now they act up on my problem. My problem is with you.
How you gonna take somebody to court and then call them?
No, how you a street nigga taking a nigga to court about a fight?
One mic on Chuck.
Are you a street nigga filming?
One mic on Chuck. One mic. Everybody mute up.
You don't film a nigga, he gonna lie.
Keeping it 100. You want to tell jokes from the real shit.
So you saying that that's okay to take a nigga to court or behind a squabble?
I told you let's get in. I gave y'all momentum. I gave y'all ultimatum. I said, nigga, we can get in. I said, nigga, y'all ran. You making money off of it. Look, cuz you use it to make money. You went on a promo tour. I didn't find no lawsuit.
Wait. See, hey, Chuck, you hear this? So now Gang need to whoop 40 Glock ass to go on tour. That's the game, nigga. What are you talking about?
Nigga, the lawsuit didn't come out for 6 months.
Was Gang already a touring artist?
I let you lie all the way through. Bring the nigga
lie. The video don't lie.
I have a nigga Speedy from 88.
Hey, don't mention Speedy because I'll bring him in here, nigga.
Let me speak.
I'll bring him in. I talk to Speedy every day. I'll bring him in and he don't fuck with you. Hey, bro, why would Gang give you some money? For what?
Well, why I got it. I put the paperwork up.
You got what? Nigga, you went and filed a civil suit. What the fuck you mean?
Bro, you took a nigga to court because you got your ass beat. Shut up. Let me
if you saying filing the civil suit was your way of getting money out of Game, then you win, nigga. But you ain't pulled up and we like, here, 40 Glock, take some money.
Listen, okay, let's put it like this.
And this is now a record of a frivolous lawsuit.
Did you beg me to get my name off his house, cuz, so y'all can get it so the Priscilla Rainey, so she can come and get the money?
I never told you. What do you mean?
Did you pay me?
What do you mean? I didn't pay. I paid the attorneys, my nigga.
What's the attorney name?
I got my paperwork, bro.
Listen. If you got your paper,
you showed me a wire of me paying you, bro. Produce a wire of me paying you, bro.
I told you his name and you still can't remember it.
Bro, I can produce the wire of who I paid.
This sound like you just heard what
this nigga got, bro, you hear what I'm saying?
You on here flying to these niggas like you this multi-millionaire.
Hey, he telling on himself.
He
gonna keep talking and telling on himself.
In the bank, people kicking you out the bank. Nigga, I go in the bank on my mama, they treat me with royalty. Nigga, so for all this multi-million-dollar
this nigga following my Instagram, you a fan. Hey, you hear this nigga? You a fan, you follow my Instagram.
Man, this nigga can't water the grass no more. Can't beat the fertilizer out this nigga.
Oh, this nigga ain't never had a record, ain't never had a nothing. That's
goof, yeah.
Hey, real talk, he don't even deserve a voice. Nigga, how you get your ass beat and go sue a nigga and then come back talking some gangster shit?
And the nigga trying to justify the shit.
Don't use the police as a cover-up, nigga. I didn't do it to Menace. Did I sue Menace? Menace, nigga, I got down with Menace and all them niggas.
You sued, you would be.
Did I sue Menace?
Menace ain't the game. Menace ain't the game, though. Menace didn't get for niggas, bro.
What type of niggas Menace from game? What's the difference?
What you mean? The
difference is you sue and not the other.
Not the other. Hey, bro.
Why would I sue one?
Hey, bro, this what I'm saying. This all I'm saying.
He wanted to go the legal route. He wanted to go the legal route. I took him the legal route.
What you mean legal? How we wanted to go the legal route?
How the nigga that beat you up want to go legal?
Did we not get offered $250,000 each to fight? And you said no.
Who? Bro, you got an imagination, bro. Like 40 Glock, you have never been a factor in this business, bro.
No matter what you gonna do, you gonna keep
lying. First you saying Gang did a promo tour on your name.
Help your pocket.
Like, bro, how would Gang need your name to do a tour? That's the game, nigga. What are you talking about?
And why you ain't fight back? Why you ain't fight back?
Did I catch Gambino and fuck Cuz and get on Cuz?
This is
everybody. I don't know nothing about
why you didn't fight back?
This is everybody but the nigga that socked on your ass with one hand.
I got a question.
I can't catch
40.
you yet, cuz that's the never ending story right there. I can't catch cuz yet.
I got a question.
Man, that nigga game be out everywhere, bro.
I got a question.
I know you at the show. Man, come on, my nigga. You just got DP'd at the show. Nigga, my homie was like,
Hold on,
40. I
one
just
mic. Who said they had a question?
Yeah, it's Kev. I just had a question. I just wanted to know, fuck all the suing shit. I just want to know, as a man, why didn't you fight back, bro? Like, why didn't you?
Nigga, I had like 3 or 4 guns aimed at me, nigga. I was spinning. When I was spinning hitting back, he said, "Oh, you flinching?" And niggas pulled the guns. I'm still.
When I was finna hit, nigga, go look at that footage.
hit him back.
Look at that footage. Never in there was he finna do nothing.
If y'all asking me a question and you want to answer, or y'all want to play around, bro?
Go ahead, answer, bro. Let him answer. Go ahead.
Nigga, you got picked because we from the streets. Now, that's like we can do all this internet faking shit. Nigga, you get a pistol on you, you ain't got one, you run. You understand what I'm saying? When you got a pistol on you and you scrapping, and motherfuckers scrapping on you, they got loaded pistol, you watch niggas put one in the brain in these motherfuckers. Nigga, a lot of niggas can try to take that hit and get knocked down. You see what happened to my nigga that just passed like that? Rest in peace, my nigga. You understand what I'm saying?
I don't know what nigga you
with no
talking
pistols, about. With no pistol in your face trying to get no fade, my nigga. Now, you can do it. You can try. Some people might survive, some may not. But, nigga, if you don't survive...
So he was scared.
Your name is 40 Glock. Why you didn't come back gunning?
So then you go to... Hey.
Hold on, y'all. Hold on one second.
You were scared.
So
but watch this. Hey, but watch this. He can go with a camera on the fake Lil Wayne press, but a nigga can't beat his ass holding the iPhone camera. He get mad. Let's get this right. He can go with a big ass VH1 handheld camera on the fake Lil Wayne press, but when a nigga beat his ass,
for fun, nigga, on coke.
Hey, bro, did Lil Wayne them file charges on you? A lawsuit on you?
I heard you tell my little nigga Trav in New York, cuz you want to get down with him. Get down with me on Coke City Crip.
Lil Twist did not have dreads.
Lil
Chucky, nigga, he met Lil Chucky.
Yeah, Chucky did have dreads.
Chucky had dreads, nigga.
For sure.
You know when Lil Chucky, nigga, Lil Chucky see me all the time, nigga.
Hey, let me tell you what's so bad about it. I'm gonna say this, bro. Maybe you'll come off of it. Not only was it Chucky in the car, it was kids in the car, bro. You should stop claiming that, bro. It was kids in that vehicle, bro.
My nigga,
stop claiming that, bro, because it ain't gangster.
Suck your dick. He already said you was just a friend. You was the truck driver. You was a
nigga,
friend.
Put some
you talking about the friend that buried his mama?
You sucking baby dick. Now you
hey, you talking about the friend that buried his mama?
Hey,
you talking about the friend that buried his mama? Him? That nigga? The nigga that buried his mama, right? Him, right? Okay, I got you.
But baby didn't even fuck with you, cuz.
Why you didn't get off on the bodyguard? That's what I want to know.
Why you show up with a camera?
Do you want me to answer the question?
Yeah, answer the question.
Do you want? All right. Now, the reason why I didn't get off, I just told y'all. They bodyguards was our bodyguards first, and we is straight.
Not that big.
We know them.
This nigga always got a reason. My dick can't get hard because Game beat me. I didn't put work in because I knew the bodyguard. We ate Skittles together. You always got an excuse on why you didn't go.
We didn't go there for that. You want me to do something that we didn't go there for.
Then why you front like you did?
And I say, nigga, I'm not here to kill nobody. That means I'm not here to kill nobody. I'm here to rob somebody.
So I got into it with T.I. At Bow in Beverly Hills. And they jumped me. And it was like, yeah, you can get some money out of the case because of the situation that happened with Game and 40 Glock. And they was using all the details that was in the that court situation. They wanted me to say, T.I. and them did this and did that. But I'm like, no, I'm not gonna do all that. I'm straight, I'm cool. And it was just ironic.
Is you a street nigga?
No, I'm not. I ain't no street dude, but it's crazy because
and you got more nuts than this pussy ass nigga.
Nah. Huh? Yeah, I know 40 Glock. I know him from Vegas and stuff. But what I'm saying is, they used your case, like, because what happened was a lot of lawyers started calling me like, yo, you gotta do it with T.I. some money grab.
Oh yeah, the nigga's a slot machine. My nigga, he a slot machine.
So they was telling me to use. They wanted me to use your angle. Like they wanted me to say. They wanted me to say, yo, he beat me up. He did this to me. I didn't want to fight, But I was like, to me, that wasn't the case. It was like, yo, he don't like the money team, Floyd, whatever. My situation, I got into it. They jumped me. Is what it is. It went to the next level. But it's crazy because me personally, I just couldn't. On some street, I'm not a street dude. I'm not no gangbanger, none of that. But I just couldn't see myself.
You still couldn't do it.
I just couldn't.
Exactly. And
do
just
it.
like you can't, I can't see myself kicking it with a snitch. Like this nigga kicking it with 6ix9ine and calling him a civilian.
No, but
6ix9ine came
I look at it like this.
later.
I look at it like this.
He not kicking it.
That ain't got nothing to do with you, brother.
But at the same time,
From